Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix the anti-cheat error in Fortnite. This is an easy tutorial video, so make sure to watch to the very end so you don't make any mistakes along the way. Without further ado, let's get started. Find the folder that says Epic Games. Click in the Fortnite folder, then Fortnite Game, then Binaries, then Win64, then Easy Anti-Cheat. Now right-click on this file and select Shortcut. Now right-click on the shortcut file and select Properties. And here, just type Repair at the end. Then press Apply and OK. Then double-click on the shortcut. If a black screen appears for a few seconds, then that means it is fixed. And that's it. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching.